In the western Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands, lies the Mariana Trench, the globe's deepest oceanic trench. Its lowest point, the Challenger Deep, plunges an astonishing 36,070 feet below sea level. This phenomenal depth is the outcome of a collision between the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Sea Plate, creating a subduction zone. This trench is no ordinary place. It's a realm of immense pressure, absolute darkness, and freezing temperatures. Yet, it's teeming with life. Creatures like amphipods, giant isopods, and abyssal fish call this extreme habitat home, thriving on chemosynthesis instead of photosynthesis. Exploration of the Mariana Trench has been sparse due to its daunting depth and the challenges of deep-sea exploration. Despite this, the trench continues to provide valuable insights into Earth's geophysical processes, its biodiversity, and perhaps even the origins of life on our planet. For more insightful videos, subscribe to Insight.